Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding or changing your contact information on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok profile page and select the profile button in the bottom right if you need help navigating to this section. And you want to select the hamburger icon now at the top right, left click on that and go down and select settings and privacy. Now underneath the account section at the top, select security and permissions. And underneath where it says permissions, select browser settings. Underneath contact information, you can see autofill contact information is turned on. However, if you want to adjust or change contact information, select the contact information field down here. And then this point you can enter in your name, your surname, email, as well as phone number, and then select Save Changes once you're done. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.